All well? Rajkumar Chhabria after a long time. Tigers, time has come to prove that we are alive. We are to prove Tiger Zinda hai. It is on 1st November. We have to prepare ourselves. There are 8-10 days more. Out of the 5 options I have given last year, the best option I observe is what bank has made for us through HRMS department. I would suggest all of you to submit your life certificate through HRMS video calling. You all know that for logging in HRMS, it is a must that our mobile number and email ID should be registered with HRMS. I am sure all of you have done that. If not, you will have to go to your pension paying branch and get registered your mobile number and email ID in HRMS. In this, there are 3 types of pensioners. One is those who are retired after 2017. They know everything about it. Even their photo must have been uploaded. So they will have to only submit their life certificate through video calling. Some of us, though retired earlier, but we are used to the computer and we are using HRMS. So they also know how to use it. Now the question is, those friends, those tigers who had never used HRMS. It is not a big thing, friends. We had to just log in and then click on a yellow box on the right hand top corner, login. Once we click, we'll get next screen where we have to put our user ID and password. Our user ID is our PF number, maybe 6 digit, maybe 7 digit, don't prefix with 0. Next is our password. If you are using for the first time, your password is not approved. So you have to click on forgot password. Once you click on forgot password, the next screen will come where they will ask you your PF number and date of birth. Put your PF number and use a small calendar next to date of birth to select your date of birth. Once you do that, you will be asked where to send your OTP. Either your mobile or your email ID. Choice is yours, you can select anything. Once you do that, submit. Immediately you will get OTP and there will be a screen for submitting OTP. Once you submit OTP, once again you will get a password. With this password is also one-time password. With this password you can log in. As soon as you log in, you will be asked to change password. Now you have to generate your own password, which you will be using for the lifetime. Only condition for this is that password should be at least 8 characters. You can have more. Out of these 8 characters or more characters, the condition is that 1 character should be special character. 1 should be numerical and 1 should be capital letter. Once you finalize your password, you log in. The next screen will be, you have to click on the pensioner services. Having clicked on the pensioner service, you will get next screen and there will be 10 boxes. On the top, the 4th box is uploading photo. If you click on that, next screen will come. There, the question will be whether you want to load it through your pension paying branch, yes or no. If you say yes, fine. If you say no, why? Because if you feel your pension paying branch is far off, you can put the name of your branch which is near to your house or which is convenient to you. If you put no for the pension paying branch, the next screen will ask you the code number, branch code number of the branch where you want to go for uploading the photo. If you put that branch code, immediately one name will come down. That is name of the person who is going to authorize your photo. Then you upload the photo. Next day, go to that branch and get it approved. Now, in case if you are going regularly to that branch staff knows you personally, they may authorize your photo on phone call also. You need not go. But it all depends on the branch staff and your visits to the branch. Otherwise, once only you have to go to the branch for authorizing the photo. Having done that, the next step is that in your mobile, you have to download My HRMS, because through this My HRMS software, you will be able to make a video call and record your life certificate. I am not giving you those details now, because my only request now is to open HRMS, upload your photo, get it approved and download My HRMS in your mobile. We have nearly 8 to 10 days for the 1st November. If you are not knowing the computer, don't worry. Your children are there, your grandchildren are there. For them it is a matter of minutes. Just within 4 minutes they will do everything. So friends, please try today only and be ready before 1st November. I'll come again on 31st October to show you how to make a video call. It is very easy, and once this photo is uploaded, lifelong we will be able to submit our photo, life certificate sitting at home. Whether I am physically alright or not, still I will be able to submit my photo. And through HRMS, we have many more facilities which we are not using. And bank, to help us, is trying to add more and more facilities in this HRMS. This is like even medical bills can be submitted through this. Your insurance claims can be submitted through this. All these are in progress. So let us get used to HRMS. Everywhere 100% result is difficult, but my expectation from my Tigers is that at least 80% of the Tigers on or before 31st October will complete these 4 things, that is opening of HRMS, uploading photo, getting photo approved and downloading My HRMS in mobile. All the best. So now I would request you to click on like to encourage me to make more videos. Click on subscribe so that the videos come to you immediately, and for the benefit of all our pensioners, please share with them each video which I upload for you. Tiger, you know, one uninvited guest has come which has troubled each one of us. Now that uninvited guest is trying to go away, we should be very happy. We should help him in going from here so that we can live in peace. So while helping, yes, correct, that uninvited guest is coronavirus. So to help him to go let us continue to stay in a house till it is necessary to go out. Once we have to go out, don't go without mask. Use social distancing and always use sanitizer. Thank you. Let us meet again.